What is performance marketing in 2025?
Back in the day when we had all started our careers in the performance marketing, it used to be fairly simple. You run ads, you acquire customers. It used to be the wild, wild west. Now it is a good old corporate hub in that sense that there is a good barrier of entry now. So performance marketing, simply put, right now is a content-driven game, right? All the data metrics, the technicalities which used to make Facebook ads and performance look like a magic pill back in the day, they are all slowly and gradually not that significant anymore. It is all a content-first approach. Having a machine gun of content which connects to the customer, makes them want to buy from you as compared to 10 other people who are selling this primarily the same thing that you are. Data takes a precedence, but it is content first, data second.
So when you're mentioning content first approach, content first, are you talking about creatives, product quality, or are you talking about more from influencer marketing, owned media, where the brands and all owning their media on their Instagram, or founder being a lot more active on the social media?
Right. I would actually say all four. There is no ifs and buts that, okay, this will do, this will do. There's obviously, focus areas depending on the scale at which you are at, right? But it has to be, if you are wanting to grow beyond a certain scale, it has to be each and every aspect of as a sales channel, if you have to treat it as that. Right? You start off focusing on your paid ads, content and ad creatives which speak to the customer, right? But ROAS is something which I personally call charging ki charging. It is coming today. I'm 110% sure after 2 years or 1.5 years, it's going to stop, right? And whatever you have built in this 1.5 year long runway that the performance marketing team has given you is going to start acting up from a sales channel perspective, right? So paid ads take you from 0 to 1 or 0 to 10, right? But then after a specific point, it has to be the own creatives, it has to be the influencer collaborations that you are doing, it has to be the retention communication that you are doing as well, if we talk about that, and every other thing which is going to take precedence. But yeah, paid advertising is the first or the second step that you should definitely be taking. But after that, all creatives from a creative first approach have to be focused upon, right? Be it a founder led brand or a or a creator led brand, in whichever sense you want to put it.